What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the new MAC360 series of swivel wakeboard tower and surface mount clamps. These new accessories were designed to work seamlessly with our MAC line of aluminum wakeboard enclosures. They're available in 3 different colors of black, white, and chrome, and they'll work with our MAC525, our MAC65, our MAC69, our MAC80, and our MAC90 speaker pods. Now the MAC360s are a dual purpose mounting clamp that give you the ability to swivel your MAC enclosures a full 360 degrees and surface mount them. Surface mounting gives you the ability to quickly and easily install your speaker pods anywhere on your boat. You can surface mount to anything, a ceiling, a flat surface like the floor, or even a wall if you wanted to. And while your speaker pod is surface mounted, you can still swivel it a full 360 degrees. I'll show you how to attach it and surface mount the enclosure, but first I have the black MAC360 here. Let's open this up and see what's inside. So right on the top we have some mounting hardware. We have an Allen key which allows you to adjust the swivel, but you can also replace that out with the hand tightening knobs. You can use it to replace one of the existing Allen key screws. So there's basically 2 different options when you're doing the 360 degree swivel or the surface mount installation. You can use a hand tightening knob, or you can use the existing Allen key screw with the Allen key. If you do use the hand tightening knob, we recommend you put it in the back of the bracket for a nice and finished look. And this is really cool because you can put the hand tightening screw in the swivel mount bracket and loosen or tighten it so you can adjust how much you are swiveling. So we have 2 of those, 1 for each bracket, 4 Allen screws, and then we have 4 Phillips screws, and you're gonna use these if you're surface mounting your clamps. Over here we have 2 rubber inserts, and this actually goes in between your existing MAC clamps and the swivel mount bracket. And over here we have 2 of the 2 pieces that allow you to actually swivel and surface mount your clamps. These clamps are manufactured with high quality aircraft grade aluminum. They're extremely durable and able to withstand the most extreme conditions. So let me show you how to attach one of these to your MAC cans if you want the ability to swivel a full 360 degrees. All right, I'm gonna grab my MAC can. And I'm also going to grab the bracket it comes with. And one more thing you're going to need is this metal spacer that actually comes with your MAC can. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our swivel mount clamp, and we're going to unscrew these 4 Allen keys. We're going to use the Allen key that comes with your MAC can. After you have the last one out, you're going to separate these 2 pieces. Now, what you want to do is take one of the rubber pieces, you're going to line it up with the 3 holes here, then you're going to take your bracket. You're going to also line up those 3 holes. Take one of the Allen screws, you're going to screw it right into place into the bracket. You want it to be nice and flush, so screw it all the way. So that's the first part of the installation. The next thing we need to do is attach it to this bracket, which is going to go on the enclosure side. All we do to do that, you just screw the 4 screws that you took out initially. We are all set there. So you're gonna wanna take your MAC can now. Remember we have this insert that goes inside your MAC can. You're gonna line up these 3 holes with the 3 holes on the MAC can. We're gonna take one of our screws. So I'm taking another Allen screw, I'm running it through, and then we're lining up that hole with one of the holes on the bottom of the clamp over here. And you're just gonna screw it into place. So you can see it's nice and connected. Now you'll notice we still have that Allen screw in. So I'm going to take my smaller Allen key. I'm gonna actually take this out. Remember, once you have it out, it's going to swivel freely. So you can actually replace this with one of the hand tightening knobs. It's very easy to add the 360 swivel bracket to a MAC enclosure. But now one of the unique things about the MAC360s is that you can use it to surface mount. So let me show you how to surface mount one of your enclosures now. The first thing we're going to do is take our larger Allen key. We're going to unscrew this top plate off of the bottom swivel plate. Now when you surface mount, you want to make sure to choose a nice and flat surface. Right now I'm not on a boat, so I am actually going to surface mount this to this table right in front of me. You're also going to want to make sure you have a screw gun. Now you're going to want to take one of these Phillips screws. You're going to run it through the far hole over here, put it on the table the way you want to mount it, and then you're going to screw it into place. That is solid now. Now what we're going to do is take the actual piece that gets flush with our enclosure, and we're going to screw the 4 Allen screws back into the 4 corners of that. All right, so once I have that piece back on, I'm going to actually take my enclosure now. And remember, we need the spacer that goes on the inside of the enclosure. And all we're going to do is run the spacer inside the enclosure. And then we're going to take our last 2 Allen screws, run it through the 2 holes on the top and the bottom. You can see it's running through. And I'm going to line it up with the 2 screw holes over here. We're basically just going to screw that into place. Now if I go ahead and loosen the Allen screw that's on the side over here, you'll notice it gives me the flexibility to swivel the speaker enclosure pod a full 360 degrees. With the surface mount, the MAC360 is going to be perfect for marine application, or if you're using it with a 360-degree swivel bracket, it's going to be great for applications like the roll bar on a UTV. So if you're looking for a pair of swivel wakeboard tower and surface mount clamps for your Mac cans, look no further than the MAC360 series from Rockville. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.